Look, in my hood, death don't always come with a casket. Sometimes it's a living man, living life in a basket, wrapped in a linen cloth, woven out of his mistakes. Every bad choice is another loop the fabric makes. It starts at the head, people's words that you'll never be. Tight around his eyes so the brother can't even see. Then it's the habits, the addiction, the daily grind, wrapping around his chest till he's suffocating in his mind. He's in the tomb of the project, 4 days gone in the dark, while the neighborhood whispers he used to have a spark. Yeah.
But the Father's got a voice that can cut through the stone, calling every Lazarus to come out of the unknown. You're wrapped from head to toe, crippled by the weight, but there's a love in this family that can change your fate. Yeah, we're one big family, children of the same King. Listen to the command of freedom it brings. Come forth from the shadows, come forth from the light. The linen might bind you, but you weren't meant to die.
The door creaked open and he stumbled to the light, still bound in the bandages, a heavy ghostly sight. He couldn't move his arms, couldn't even take a pace. The shame of the ghetto was still written on his face, but the Father didn't do it all. He looked at us and said, lose him and let him go, he's no longer with the dead. So the neighborhood gathered, the cousins and the kin. We started peeling back the layers of the places he had been. We unwound the guilt, we unwound the day-to-day. We held the shaking hands till the demons went away.
It's brotherly love, it's the spirit in the street, unwrapping the cloth from his head to his feet. No matter how tangled, no matter the stain, the family is here to help you carry the pain. We're the ones who gotta lose them, that's the Father's design, to show the world that every soul is something divine.
So if you're feeling wrapped up, buried in the noise, crippled by the habits and the loss of your joys, look at the person next to you. We're all under one roof, the Maker is calling, and your life is the proof. Don't let the linen kill you, don't let the grave win. There's a hand reaching out to begin again. From the ghetto to the throne, the message stays the same. You're more than the bandages, the Father knows your name.
And the Father's got a voice that can cut through the stone, calling every Lazarus to come out of the unknown. You're right from head to toe, by the way, but there's a love in this family that can change your fate. Yeah, we're one big family, children of the same King. Listen to the command and the freedom it brings. Come forth from the shadows, come forth from the light. The linen might bind you, but you weren't meant to die.
Yeah, keep walking, man. Don't let them tell you you're stuck in that cloth. But right here, I'm wrapping it one piece at a time.